Hiccups can be annoying, right? Let's uncover why they happen. Hiccups occur when the diaphragm spasms unexpectedly. This involuntary action creates that distinctive hic sound. Many folk remedies exist, but some are more effective than others. One simple trick is to drink a glass of water slowly. Alternatively, try holding your breath for a moment. Both methods can help reset the nerve impulses causing the spasm. Remember, hiccups usually go away on their own. But if they persist, it's good to consult a doctor. What's your go-to hiccup cure? Share in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more weird body facts.